nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki. So we have made it to day number 3 in this 3 days, 1 palette series. So let's get into it. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this light pink shimmer shade here called Sister. And I'm going to put that all over this area, like above my crease, the lid area above the crease and under the brow. And then I'm going to take this shade here called Rusted. It's like this red-orange shade. It's more orange than red, but you know. I'm going to take that and put that, as I usually do, like in this area, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came with my Prism palette. Then I'm going to take this shade. What shade is this? You're Kidding, which is the red shade in here. This one, oh, I just touched it. My finger's gonna be red. This one right here. And I've used this before, so I'm not worried about any staining because, you know, it didn't happen. On the same brush, I cleaned it off. I dusted it off, didn't really clean it off. And put that in my outer corner right in this area. So. And because I really want to try this shade, and also I want a little, you know, oomph in the outer corner, very little bit. I'm gonna take the black shade in here, this big thing right here called Spooky. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I think I'm gonna just tape this sheet to the inside here, but take a little bit of that and put it in my, like, right in there, just a little bit. This part might take a while because I don't want it to appear too black. I have to smoke it out. This is gonna take a while. I just want you guys to know my arm hurts. I spent 5 minutes blending the outer corners. I gotta tell you that, but my arm hurts. That's not normal. Ooh. Next, we're going to go into the shade Literally, which is this, I don't know how you explain it, like, it's like red, orange, and pink, like, it's like a really light shimmer shade right here, next to your kidding, and I put concealer on my lids, obviously, so that's what I'm going to put on top of the concealer. And now using the opposite end of my Morphe, it has concealer on it and I don't know how. The opposite end of the Morphe M150, M156, one of those. I'm going to take the shade Ring Light, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put that the rest of the way on my eyes. Of course, I'm going to blend it out better, but I gotta place it first. I like to, when I'm doing inner corner, I like to place and then blend. I don't know why I do it this way, but there's no rule that says you have to blend it out as soon as you put it there. So I don't. Even if there was a rule, I'd probably still do it this way because this is what I'm comfortable with. And now we know. One more time, because I don't know why, but my inner corner always fades. It's because my allergies, no matter what season, I'm always tearing up and crying. Or I'm always just crying. Probably just crying. Now I literally did everything off camera. Now it's time for the lower lash line and inner corner highlight. I'm going to go back into the shade. What shade was that? You're Kidding. Actually, I'm going to use a little bit of Shook and You're Kidding. Shook is the shade that is right next to You're Kidding. That shade there. So I'm going to take that one first and then You're Kidding. I'm going to put this down first. Going a little lower than I usually do. Then we go into the red shade You're Kidding and put it right on top. But not as far down. And I did use a burgundy eyeliner on my lower lash line, which is why it all looks so red, because there's a burgundy there instead of a black. So that's it for that. And for my inner corner, I'm just going to take Ring Light, of course, because it's so pretty. Next, I'm going to do Ring Light and Sister, which was that pink shade that we started with. I'm going to do both. So this is Ring Light. I'm going to bring it to right there. Oh, drop the palette. I'll cry. Then again, I already dropped it once and nothing happened, so maybe I won't cry. And now we're going to take Sister, the pink shimmer shade. I mean, you can't really tell. They get a little brighter. I can say that. Still using Sister. And For lip, I decided to do something different. I'm going to take my favorite brown lipstick, Cloudscape, and use that. I was gonna curl my hair, change my mind, not gonna happen. Ain't got the kind of time. This is the finished look, and I like it. I like it a lot. This reminds me of like cherry vanilla Coke for some reason, so that's what we're gonna call this. It's gonna be cherry vanilla Coke. I mean, those things did exist at one point. So cherry vanilla Coke, it is. Definitely was gonna curl this, and I changed my mind. I don't have this kind of time. I don't have the patience for it. But I like this look. And the brown is perfect. I thought it was going to be a little weird. But, you know, for me and my style, this is perfect. However, these lashes are a little crazy. Don't know why. A little crazy. Or maybe it's like this side has more mascara on it than this side, which is probably true. It happens all the time, so I'm going to fix that and take pictures. Anyway, so I have accomplished my first ever 3 days, 1 palette. Yay, me. Let me know if you like these. I'll keep doing them. Pick another palette, etc., etc. That's it. That's all. I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. Which means it's Face Dry Friday. Bye.